Good afternoon. How are you doing? Well, how are you? Would you like to learn with me? Well, welcome to my YouTube channel, English with JL. In this lesson today, we are going to learn meeting people. The things that people use when they meet together. How do they speak? The first words that they use. I know that you will need them, right? That's why I bring it for you. Well, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that when we post a video for you every week, and then you will find it. Let's go right now. We sometimes use some kind of greetings. We use three kind of things like greetings people. We use how to greet together or each other. But this kind of greetings that we use is sometimes how we use them by greeting others in saying, for example, in formal ways, formal greeting and informal greeting. Someone that we meet for the first time or we don't have a relationship with, we use the formal ways. For example, from 7 to 11, say like good morning, right? Good morning. And sometimes we say good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, according to the times that we meet the person. Good evening. Sometimes, but like hello, hi, hey, what's up? How is it going on? So we use those kind of greetings to greet somebody that we know or that we have a relationship with, someone that we know, for example. But what I want to tell you is good night is not a way of greeting. Good night is just a wish. The person is going to sleep. Okay, I say, yeah, good night. Have a good night. I say, well, sleep well. You see? But good evening, good morning, good afternoon, they are just the way that people used to greet to each other. They use generally some kind of ways to express, right? To express themselves. For example, in saying, I'm so glad to see you. I am so happy to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you, right? Good to meet you. You see? Nice to see you in my YouTube channel, right? So I am so glad to see you here with me in our community. You see? So glad to meet you. It's wonderful to see you. I am happy to meet you. You see, people sometimes use those kind of ways to express themselves or when they meet together. So you will need them. So after you learn English, you will know now. So when you meet somebody, after speaking together, so now you're going to maybe you will leave or the person will leave. Ask maybe say, okay, I am so happy to see you. I am happy to see you. Happy to meet you. Good to see you. Well, wonderful to see you. It was a pleasure to see you. Well, so now let's see how people say goodbye. So after people talking together, now one of them will leave or will make something else. I don't know. They use like a way to say goodbye. Goodbye. Sometimes they say, okay, goodbye, or goodbye for now, or see you later, or see you soon, or have a good moment, have a good time, have a good day, have a good day, right? Or see you again. You see? See you again. Bye bye. You see? So I believe that those kind of words they will help you to improve your abilities to speak English clearly and accurately. But if you know them, you keep them in practicing. So believe me, you will know you will be able to express yourself with no difficulty. But what you need is know first when you meet people what kind of way you need to how you will need to greet them because it is really necessary, right? It's really important. So when you meet somebody for the first time, so it's like a little bit like unacceptable to say hello. You see, so it's just a little bit different because it is maybe he's a stranger. You don't know the person. You have to use a formal way to greet him. But after you will live or speak together, right? Say, right, I'm so happy to see you, or I am happy to meet you, or glad to see you at a time. So, and that is why it is important when you meet somebody that you don't know, and then you will know how now to greet him or to greet her. That's why that we bring you this video. So I believe that that's all then. So if you love the video, please don't forget to subscribe with my YouTube channel, right? and come back for more videos. So we are working for you. We give ourselves to work for you, to let you feel happy in English, to help you with your dream in English, in order to speak a wonderful English with confidence. Well, we love you so much, and it was a pleasure to be with you.